How to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone 2025. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about backing up and restoring your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone, which is pretty easy. So what you're going to want to do is once you're here in your iPhone settings, what you're going to be doing is basically you are going to scroll down to the chats section, okay? And you're going to click on chats. And once you click on chats, right down here, it's going to say chat backup. So you're going to go ahead and open that up. Now, in the case the backup is not complete, simply click on this backing up section. You can also turn on your auto backup. And once you do that, you can include videos, photos, images, whatever you want in this section. And once that is done, it should start backing up. Obviously, give it some time because it does take a lot of time to back up. And once the backup is done, you can pretty much go ahead and restore it on any other phone as well. So, transfer chats to iPhone, move chats to Android, save it, export it if you want to. That depends on you. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. That is how you're going to back up and restore your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.